Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, another song here from Emtee. He does this with Saudi, a newest song from their latest album, and this one is called Keep It Real. Alright, so we have a 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. No need for any capo here. Let's dive right into the chords, and this will be a short one. We're going to start with D minor, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have A minor next. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and the fourth and final chord will be F major 7. We're going to go with the shorter version, and that will be third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have a strumming pattern that covers 2 chords, so we have 2 parts in it. So we'll look at the transition for the first 2 chords, D minor to A minor. And by the way, it continues with E minor and then F major 7, and that's it. That's one round. So let's go into the D minor in part 1. You're going to play like this. So that is 1 down, short pause, and then up clap. Down, up clap. And that's it. So then you shift chord, in this case to A minor, and play part 2, and that will be down, down, clap, down, like this. So 1 down, short pause, and then down, clap, down. And that will be 1 full strumming round. So if you combine these 2 chords, D minor to A minor, it will be like this. And then you apply the same principles for the next 2 chords, E minor, part 1, in the same way as the D minor, the down up clap, and then F major 7, part 2, in the same way as A minor, down, down, clap, down. So E minor to F major goes like this. And there you have 1 full round with the F chord version. Let's do a couple of rounds, and that is how the song goes, starting with D minor, like this. And so on. Alright, so keep it real, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to give me a like on this tutorial and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So hope to see you soon, and till next time, play tuned.